If you're adding extra weight to the rear of your vehicle, like hauling a trailer or boat, it may make your headlamps appear higher than usual. And that might mean you'll have to readjust them. Before we start, you'll need a tape measure, some tape, and a Phillips screwdriver. And you'll want to park about 25 feet from a garage door or a wall with your headlamps aimed in that direction. To figure out where your lamps should be aimed, you'll want to measure from the ground to the small circle that marks the center of the lamp. Place a piece of tape on the wall at that same height. If you're not sure what type of lights your vehicle has, look for the VOL or VOR mark on them. If you have HID lamps, you'll want the top of the beam to be about 2 inches below the tape mark you made. If you have halogen lamps, the top of the beam should be right on your tape mark. Now, let's talk about just what to do if your lights do need to be adjusted, or if you're going to be towing something and need to move them. First, open your hood. Do you see the adjuster on your headlamps? With your screwdriver, twist each one until your beams are at the right level. And remember to leave the marks on your door or wall so that you can readjust the lights back when you need to. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.